Creating a tool-based website is one of the most effective ways to drive organic traffic and monetize a blog. Below is a search-optimized version of your article, tailored for a blogger, blogspot audience. How to create an AI-powered image to PDF converter tool for free, no coding required. Are you tired of paying for expensive online tools? When you are just starting your journey as a digital creator or freelancer, subscription costs for basic utilities can eat into your non-existent budget. But what if I told you that you don't need to buy these tools? Instead, you can build them yourself using AI, use them for your own work, and even publish them on your website to earn passive income. Today, I will show you how to build a functional image to PDF converter in less than a minute using DeepSeek. Why build your own digital tools? In the modern era of artificial intelligence, coding is no longer a barrier. Whether you are a student or a beginner, you can develop digital assets that save money, stop paying for premium tool memberships, generate traffic. People are always searching for image to PDF converters. Earn money. Monetize your tool page with Google AdSense or other ad networks. Boost skills. Learn the logic of app development without memorizing complex syntax. The secret sauce. Using DeepSeek to write code. We will use DeepSeek, a powerful AI chatbot, to generate the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript required for our tool. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to follow this simple process. Step 1. The master prompt. Copy the exact prompt below. This prompt is designed to ensure the AI gives you a complete, functional file with advanced features. Prompt: I want you to create a professional, responsive website for an online image to PDF converter. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for this. Add advanced features such as PDF page spread, border editing options, and a clean user interface. Ensure all resources used are free and the entire tool is functional within a single code block or interconnected files. Do not use external server-side languages. Step 2. Generate the code. Paste the prompt into the DeepSeek chatbot and hit enter. Within seconds, the AI will provide you with the code structure. Step 3. How to publish the tool on Blogger, Blogspot. Once you have your code, follow these steps to go live on your Blogger site. Log in to your Blogger dashboard. Create a new page, recommended, or a new post. In the editor, switch from Compose View to HTML View by clicking the pencil bracket icon in the top left corner. Paste the entire code provided by DeepSeek into the editor. Preview the page to ensure the Choose File and Convert buttons are working. Click Publish. Pro tips for ranking your tool on Google. To make sure people actually find and use your new image to PDF tool, keep these SEO tips in mind. Keyword-rich title. Use a title like Free Online Image to PDF Converter, fast and secure. Description. Write 200 to 300 words below the tool explaining how to use it and why it's beneficial. Mobile optimization. Ensure the AI-generated code is responsive so it works perfectly on smartphones. Internal linking. Link to this tool from your other blog posts to give it a ranking boost. Conclusion. Technology has leveled the playing field. You no longer need a computer science degree to create functional web applications. By using DeepSeek and Blogger, you can transform from a consumer into a creator. Start building your suite of tools today and watch your website traffic grow. SEO keywords included: free online tool, image to PDF converter, DeepSeek AI, no-code app development, make money with Blogger, AI for beginners, convert image to PDF HTML code. What other digital tools would you like to learn how to build for your blog?